Hey guys, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block senders on Gmail, also how to report spam, to report phishing, and then if for some reason you accidentally block someone and you want to unblock them, as a bonus tip, I'll show you how to unblock those people too. So let's hop right on in. On Android phone, you find the sender that you want to block. In this case, on my phone, let's say it's crypto.com. So you find crypto.com, an email from them, and you're like, hey, I'm tired of losing money. I can't afford to lose any more money in the Bitcoin crypto market. Come on, I can't see the future. So let's block these people. So you open the email, you click on those little dots, and then you go down and you just click block right there at the bottom. Easy as that. If you, for some reason, did that on accident and then tomorrow you wake up, you're all like, yeah, I'm feeling lucky. I think I can make money on crypto.com. You can just unblock right there. So let's hop over to desktop and see how to do it there. So now we're on desktop. On desktop, pretty much the same thing. You find an email from that sender, crypto.com in this example. You click on the three dots there by them, and you scroll down to block. The only difference I really noticed here is that you have to confirm on desktop, so it'll ask you to confirm, make sure you want to block them. And so you just confirm on there. You can unblock it right away, but I'll show you in a little bit how to unblock after the fact. Let's say it's like way later and you change your mind. Okay, so let's say you have a total change of heart. You blocked crypto.com. A couple weeks later, you wake up and you're like, hey, I'm feeling lucky. I think I'm going to make a ton of money on crypto.com. So you want to unblock that sender. So how you do that is you go on desktop up to the gear box and settings. Then you click on see all settings and you'll get a bunch of options there. And when you go down, there's different tabs along the top, which is like filters and blocked addresses. So click on that one and then you scroll down, find an email, or you can search from it from that sender, crypto.com. Click on that box and then you can unblock that sender. So let me show you how to do it on Android phone now. Okay, on Android, same thing. You had a change of heart. You're like, I want to unblock crypto.com or whoever it is. So you go onto your Android phone, you go to Gmail, and then you find an email that you previously had if you didn't delete them all because you were so upset for some reason from crypto.com. So we find one, here's from crypto.com, and since you'd previously blocked it, it's got an option in gray right below there. You just click unblock sender. Voila, easy as that. So let's say you want to unsubscribe from crypto.com or whoever, but you don't want to totally block them. You're just like, maybe if they send me something personalized, I want it. I don't want to just block the sender altogether. So on desktop, it's pretty easy. You find an email from the sender, crypto.com. There's a couple ways you can do this. Old school way, you can scroll down all the way to the bottom in super tiny text. You'll see an unsubscribe option, usually in like a light gray font, because they don't want you to do that. They don't want you to unsubscribe. You find that, you click on the little hyperlink and unsubscribe. An easier way, which they have in Gmail now, because Gmail continues to innovate and try to make things easy for us, you just go up to the top. There's a blue unsubscribe link for me right on Gmail. You just click on that, confirm, you're unsubscribed. It's also really easy to do on Android phone. You just find an email from the sender, this one like crypto.com. There's a couple ways you can do it. One is you can scroll down to the bottom. You can look for the super tiny text. I can't even read it on the bottom. It's so small. There's a little blue hyperlink. You can click on that there. You can click that. It'll take you to their site where you can unsubscribe. Sometimes there's some options to click on. Or another easy way to do it, and easier, is Gmail just puts a specific unsubscribe text link right up top, right next to the three dots. You just click on the unsubscribe there, confirm, unsubscribe, there you go. So let's say blocking the sender, unsubscribing, those aren't enough for you. You want to really stick it to them. You say like, this is total spam. I don't want to receive this stuff. Neither does anyone else. So you click on the three dots on desktop there, and you can scroll down and you can report spam. So if crypto.com or another supplier gets enough of these reports, they're going to have some bad marks. They're going to start sending out emails and it's going to go to spam. So there you go. On Android phone, pretty much the same thing. On Android phone, it's pretty much the same thing. You're going to want to find an email from them. Looks like they put a gray box. You can report spam directly right there. We already have the block. We've already blocked it, so you just click report spam. Gmail keeps making it easier and easier, and Android, depending on which operating system you're on, will usually just give you a prompt right up there to report spam. So the last tip in this video I'm giving you is how to create a filter in Gmail. So pretty simple to do. You go up to settings, to the little gear icon, and then see all settings. There's a bunch of tabs along the top, so you pick filters and blocked addresses, and then scroll down and there's an option to create a new filter. So click that option and you'll see a box pop up with all sorts of things you can do. You can put in the sender, who it's from, different keywords, all sorts of good options in there. So this should help you clean up your Gmail inbox quite a bit and make your life a little more simple and peaceful. I hope you like this video. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again soon.